Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off music profiles content restrictions on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down and in here tap on screen time. Next, scroll down and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then tap on content restrictions. Go down and tap on music profiles. On this menu here, you can select off or on. Selecting on will allow you to have access to music profiles. Otherwise, select off will disable music profiles on your device. And that's it. Select one of the options and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.